Thus far, we have had only one funny car qualifying session owing to weather, and here is that session.
First up, Mike Neff and Johnny Gray. We talked about Johnny Gray. He goes to the #1 spot with a great run. 4:07 elapsed time. Mike Neff right there with a 4:10.
And that brings up Cruz Pedregon as he runs side by side with Jeff Aran for Cruz. It's a 4:08, and that moves him into #2.
And next up, we got John Force, Matt Hagan, your #1 and 2 in the points from the previous year. And how about that John Force? He makes a nice pass.
John Force now moves into 3rd, 4th, and 5th with his cars. There are the standings. Johnny Gray, #1 at the moment. What a great surprise that is.
Remember, only the top 12 times carry over. You can see Bob Tasca, Tony Pedregon, Tim Wilkerson. And #2 in the points last season, Matt Hagan in that 12th and final position at a 4:36 elapsed time.
Yeah, but more importantly, with possibly just one qualifying session to go, Ron Capps, Melanie Troxel, and Jack Beckman are not yet in this field.